Have you ever wondered who the top tiny home builders in the USA are? In today's video, we're going to see the 20 best tiny home builders across the country. Whether you're dreaming of downsizing or just curious about the tiny home movement, stay tuned to discover the companies that are making big waves in the world of small living. The tiny home movement has grown a lot and is no longer a small trend. Many people are choosing to leave their regular-sized houses and move into much smaller homes, often just a few hundred square feet. This change is not just a passing trend. It has become very popular. This popularity is understandable because tiny homes are affordable, they make sustainable living easier, and they give you more freedom. So without wasting further time, let's begin the list. Number 20. Mini Mansions Tiny Home Builders. Mini Mansions Tiny Home Builders offers more than 10 different tiny home models, making it easy for anyone to find a perfect fit for their needs. Their homes have been featured on HGTV's Tiny House Hunters, showcasing popular models like the Chic Shack and Relax Shack. These models are ideal for those who enjoy personalizing their interiors, which is why they come at a lower price. The outside of these homes is vibrant and eye-catching, with bright colors that stand out, showing that tiny homes can be stylish and not look cheap. The company strongly believes that living in a tiny house can lead to a happier and more relaxed lifestyle. They are committed to never going back to a life where work dominates their time. Each tiny house is crafted with great care and love, as they understand how important this home is to each person. Ultimately, living in a tiny home means gaining various kinds of freedom. Freedom from financial stress, freedom to choose where to live, freedom from government restrictions, and even freedom for your mental well-being. Number 19. Escape Homes. Escape Homes has been making and designing small homes for almost 25 years. The company started with a goal to move away from the usual tiny homes that feel small, dark, and cramped. Their designs are inspired by the prairie-style resort cottages at Canoe Bay in northwest Wisconsin. The idea behind Escape Tiny Homes is to create a feeling of openness and space with lots of natural light. All Escape Tiny Homes are less than 400 square feet in size. They have luxurious panoramic windows, full kitchens, large bathrooms, first-floor bedrooms, and plenty of storage space. They also offer options for living off the grid. The homes are built with eco-friendly construction and energy efficiency in mind. They use sustainable wood, high R-value insulation, low E-thermal windows, and other environmentally friendly materials. According to Dan Dobrolowski, the founder of Escape Homes, tiny homes are all about freedom. For most customers, tiny homes are an escape from clutter, mortgages, big carbon footprints, and wasteful large houses. Escape Homes is keeping up with many current trends, while also meeting two traditional American needs: the freedom to move around and the dream of owning your own home. Number 18. Rocky Mountain Tiny Houses. This quirky company, known as Colorado's most established tiny home builder, offers a unique service. They will build you a custom tiny house, making sure to consider your style and budget. Rocky Mountain Tiny Houses creates tiny homes that are perfect for mountain living. This approach pays tribute to the state they call home and aligns with their mission of promoting simple living. Even though they can include all kinds of fancy features in their designs, they focus on the basic idea of minimalism. They believe that living in a tiny home should be straightforward and uncluttered. According to the company, their philosophy is that a home should be a place of pride and comfort, yet remain simple and affordable. They think that someone with modest means should be able to own a home without financial strain. This way, they can enjoy the mountains without worrying about a big mortgage or extensive maintenance. Number 17. New Frontier Design. New Frontier Design offers 5 different types of tiny homes on wheels. They focus on creating modern designs that have a lot of glass, which is not common in affordable tiny homes. One of their budget-friendly models is called the Luna. It is covered in matte black corrugated steel. It has a special lighting package that highlights its sloped roof. On the other hand, their most expensive model, the Escher, is designed for families. It can sleep up to 6 people and is a unique mix of charred cedar, red western cedar, and metal siding on the outside. The leadership at New Frontier Design is very proud of their unique interiors. One of their original models is the Alpha Tiny House. It is innovative, versatile, and shows that living in a tiny house doesn't mean you have to give up the comforts and functionalities of a full-size home. The Alpha Tiny House has furniture that serves multiple purposes, smart storage solutions, and makes good use of natural light. It has a rustic, industrial, and chic look that makes it a home like no other. Are these options matching with your choices, or you want to explore more? Worry not, we have much more for you. But before jumping into that, here's a quick thing you can do. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon right next to it to never miss a video. Let's get back to the list. Number 16. Wheelhaus. Since 2006, Wheelhaus has been building tiny homes that inspire people to live large with less. What does that mean? It means using fewer building materials, occupying less space, and generating less waste. By focusing on durability and quality, Wheelhaus tiny homes feel like a rustic log cabin, but are designed with modern energy efficiency, innovative design, and top-quality building materials. Wheelhaus homes are built to withstand extreme weather conditions. They are equipped with high R-value insulation, which helps keep energy use low and the inside of the home comfortable. Inside these tiny homes, you will find high ceilings, 8-foot doors, and oversized windows that let in a lot of natural light. There's also an option to add a wraparound deck, which creates more outdoor living space. This additional deck area can effectively double your living space, giving you more room to relax and entertain guests. Number 15. American Tiny House. These small homes are almost maintenance-free and can be bought completely finished or with the inside left for you to do it yourself. They can be delivered anywhere in the continental United States for free. One of the special features is extreme insulation, which provides a tight seal that can improve energy efficiency by up to 50%. This means you can save money both in the short term and long term. If you add solar energy to this, you have a perfect setup for living off the grid. What are the further benefits? First, it has a high R value, which means it is very good at insulating. This type of insulation also makes the structure up to 30% stronger. It improves indoor air quality and is completely non-toxic, meaning it doesn't contain harmful chemicals like HFCs, HCFCs, formaldehyde, or asbestos. It's also safe for people who are sensitive to chemicals. The bonding agent in the spray foam adds even more strength to the structure. It also keeps insects and rodents away and prevents mold and mildew from growing. Additionally, it reduces noise pollution, which makes your home quieter. Finally, because it insulates so well, you can use smaller HVAC equipment, which can save you money. How does this sound to you? Number 14. Mint Tiny House Company. Mint Tiny House Company is inspired by a love for nature and a dream of creating homes that are friendly to the environment. Based in Canada, Mint aims to reduce their carbon footprint and help people in Canada and the US do the same with their tiny homes. This company makes tiny houses with sleek, modern designs that feel cozy and homely. These houses also let people travel and enjoy nature. The park models are all 400 square feet or smaller, offering a functional and spacious living area. Plus, all Mint tiny houses come with a roomy kitchen and high-end appliances. Number 13. Modern Tiny Living. Modern Tiny Living started because the founders wanted to live a unique and exciting life, filled with adventure, travel, and freedom. Inspired by this dream, they began constructing tiny homes that are not only beautiful, but also safe and built to last. The tiny home builders at Modern Tiny Living combine luxurious designs with practical features. Inside, the homes have beautiful wooden interiors and stylish design elements, all crafted with high quality. These homes come at various price points, so there's something for everyone. Each tiny home is certified by RVIA and can be fully customized. Customers collaborate closely with a skilled architect and interior designer to create a home that suits their needs and preferences. Are you ready to explore a new way of living with Modern Tiny Living? Number 12. Incredible Tiny Homes. The custom build company we're talking about is known for creating some of the most imaginative and unique tiny homes out there. One of their standout designs is called the Hobbit, which captures a whimsical and cozy aesthetic that draws a lot of admiration. But their creativity doesn't stop there. They take inspiration from a variety of cities all across the United States, incorporating different architectural styles and cultural influences into their designs. When you look at the photos on their website, you can see a wide range of tiny homes, each reflecting a different city's character. This shows just how versatile tiny houses can be, capable of fitting into various lifestyles and preferences. Whether it's a quaint rustic look from a small town or a sleek modern vibe from a big city, this company demonstrates that tiny homes can be both functional and stylish, catering to diverse tastes and needs. Number 11. Tiny Home Builders, Deland, Florida. This company offers everything you need to build a tiny home. They provide prefabricated homes that are ready to use, as well as plans for building your own tiny home from scratch. Additionally, they offer online workshops that teach you how to build an affordable tiny home step by step. Their website is packed with useful tools and information. For instance, they have a savings goal calculator to help you plan your budget, various construction codes and calculators to ensure your home is built correctly, and information on insurance and financing options to support your project financially. There's also an energy consumption calculator to help you manage your home's energy use efficiently. Moreover, the site features a tiny house map where you can find other tiny home enthusiasts and communities, and a tiny house marketplace where you can buy or sell tiny homes or accessory dwelling units. And that's not all. The site is filled with many more resources to help you on your tiny home journey. The company is owned by Dan Luch, who has written a comprehensive book on tiny house design and construction. This book includes chapters on various important topics, such as how to downsize your belongings, how to create custom designs for your tiny home, what materials to use, and how to build the home. It even covers practical considerations like where to park your tiny house once it's built. Number 10. Tiny mountain houses. Taking inspiration from the mountain ranges across North America, Tiny Mountain Homes offers 18 different affordable tiny home models, each of which come with RVIA certification. These homes look nothing short of luxurious on the inside, and Tiny Mountain Homes delivers to all 50 states. Tiny Mountain Homes enthusiastically offers nearly everything a customer might be looking for. Their tiny houses provide a comfortable way to travel, a means to downsize a hectic lifestyle, or an option to make that cabin in the woods, or on the lake, or on the beach, or on the top of the mountain dream come true without sacrificing quality, craftsmanship, comfort, or affordability. With a range of designs from rustic to modern, there is something to suit everyone's needs. As a young company based in Salem, Oregon, Tiny Mountain Homes is eager to take on new projects and is flexible and open to customer input in ways that larger companies may not be able to match. Number 9. Timbercraft Tiny Homes. These small homes are very cute, like something you'd see on Pinterest. Usually, houses don't come with butcher block countertops, central air and heat, and stainless steel appliances included, but Timbercraft makes these things standard. Their team will work with your budget to create a custom home. Also, if you're nearby, they can build your house on skids instead of wheels if you want. Number 8. Zen Tiny Homes. Zen Tiny Homes started building tiny homes at the start of the tiny home trend. They wanted to create a unique and affordable way for people in California to live. For years, they have worked with local governments to help people in San Diego County and nearby areas live in small, sustainable, and affordable homes. Each Zen Tiny Home is made to match what the owner wants. They customize everything from the floor plan to the materials used. You can add rooftop decks, custom cabinets, sliding platforms, exterior storage, solar kits, and much more. Would you like to learn more about their custom options? Number 7. Tiny Life Construction. Tiny Life Construction is all about facing challenges and taking control of your own life. Based in North Carolina, this company specializes in building tiny homes and is dedicated to helping you discover your next adventure. They offer 3 different models for you to choose from, or you can collaborate with them to create a unique design that fits your needs perfectly. Whether you're looking to downsize, live more simply, or explore new possibilities, Tiny Life Construction is here to support you every step of the way. Number 6. Harmony Tiny Homes. Harmony Tiny Homes are skilled builders dedicated to helping people embrace the tiny home lifestyle. The company is led by Brian Booth, who has more than 17 years of experience in residential construction. All their homes are built on wheels and are designed to be energy efficient, easy to maintain, and comfortable for year-round living. They use space creatively, making each home not only functional, but also very beautiful. They're also proud members of the National Organization of Alternative Housing, or NOAA. Our next company is also an enlisted member of NOAA. Number 5. Al Tiny Homes. As a part of the National Organization of Alternative Housing, or NOAA, Tiny Homes is committed to building tiny homes that meet the best safety, energy efficiency, and construction quality standards. They serve the Southeast states and provide a free design consultation to help you create your perfect tiny home. Or they can assist you with a plan you already have in mind. Tiny Homes highlights the advantage of living in a tiny house. Much lower monthly energy bills, fewer belongings and materials to worry about, a peaceful, easy to manage, and simpler living space, and many more. Number 4. Tumbleweed Tiny House Company. Tumbleweed Tiny House Company was one of the first to start creating small home designs back in 1999. They offer beautiful classic models and also provide building plans for those who want to build their own homes. As the biggest tiny house maker in the US, Tumbleweed has witnessed how tiny houses have changed over time. Their high-quality systems and production methods, along with their use of materials and recycling efforts, have helped them achieve the best green certification possible. They have a heat recovery ventilation system that keeps the air inside your home fresh and reduces moisture buildup. They also use non-emitting insulation made from recycled materials. Next, number 3, Forever Tiny Homes. Have you heard about the exciting changes at Liberty Cabins? They are now called Forever Tiny Homes. They proudly say their standard features are better than what other companies offer as upgrades. Their tiny homes and accessory dwelling units have RVIA certification, which makes it easier to get financing. For example, Forever's 24-foot tiny home includes a bedroom on the main floor and an upstairs loft. It also has a deep double-sided kitchen sink, large countertops, an instant water heater, and beautiful hard maple cabinets. Plus, all their homes are built on wheels, making it easy to take your home anywhere you want to go. What's even better is that every tiny home comes with high-quality materials included as standard features. Number 2. Oregon Cottage Company. Have you ever thought about how a company can make things simple and cozy? Oregon Cottage Company believes in keeping everything straightforward. They take care of everything from the design to the contracts and the actual building of the cottages. These charming little cottages are all 20 feet long, but their prices can change based on extra features like skylights or bigger lofts. Plus, Oregon Cottage Company is dedicated to protecting the environment and making a positive impact. And finally, number 1, Tundra Tiny Houses. Tundra Tiny Houses is the first tiny home company in Alaska, run by Coley Foster. Each home is one of a kind and made just for the buyer. Foster, who studied renewable energy, started this business to help people living off the grid. Tundra Tiny Homes uses local materials whenever they can and builds in a way that's good for the environment. They even make their own trailers for the homes. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you found some great options for your tiny living journey. Which builder are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome videos.